welcome back to our another episode of Friday First Cut Show. I am Pooja Shukla, tax consultant at Fintu. So today's topic is understand your Form 26AS. So what is 26AS? 26AS is an important document that contains all the tax related informations of the taxpayers like TDS, TCS and tax payments and your SFT transaction. It is also known as Annual Consolidated Statement. It can be downloaded by using his or her PAN number from the income tax portal, and it plays an important role at the time of filing of income tax return. So it is advisable to go through your 26AS before filing the income tax returns to avoid any discrepancies in income. Now we will see 26AS in detailed manner. It can be downloaded from the income tax portal, and as you can see there is written down Form 26AS Annual Tax Statement under Section 203AA of the Income Tax Act 1961. Here your PAN number will be there, your current status of PAN, that is active or inactive. If you want to file your income tax return for financial year 2021, so 26AS will be downloaded for financial year 2021 and assessment year 21-22. There are few parts in Form 16, so we will discuss first Part A, that is details of tax deducted at sources. In that, how much tax has been deducted from your salary or your FD interest, or how much tax has been deducted from your dividend income. So we will see here are name of deductor, TAN of deductor. Name of deductor means who has deducted your tax, and TAN number of deductor, how much amount has been credited to your bank account, and total tax deducted, how much tax has been deducted. Now, IDBI Bank Limited has deducted the TDS of rupees 2391 and paid the interest of rupees 31885. Now let's take the example of salary. The TDS has been deducted under section 192. The name of deductor is Tech Mahindra Limited. He has paid the amount of rupees 16,99,000 and deducted the TDS amount rupees 205598. Now discuss part A1, that is details of tax deducted at sources for 15G and 15H. In that case, if you have any submitted the 15G and H form in your bank, so the details will be shown here. Let's discuss part A2, that is details of tax deducted at sources on sale of movable property under section 194IA, TDS on rent of property under section 194IB, TDS on payment to resident contractors and professionals under section 194M. Let's see part B, details of tax collected at sources. In that case, for example, if you have purchased the car, tax amount will be shown here. TCS data will be shown here. Now let's move on part C, that is details of tax paid other than TDS or TCS. In that case, if you have paid any advance tax or self-assessment tax, the data will be shown here. Let's move on to part D, that is details of paid refund. If you have received any refund within the financial year, the data will be reflected in this part. Let's move on to part E, that is details of accepted transactions. In that case, if you have done any high value transaction within the financial year, the data will be reflected here. For example, if you have done any payment of credit card, property related transactions, in that case you can check your data here. To know more about accepted transaction, refer our video in I button. Let's discuss about part F, that is details of tax deducted at sources on sale of immovable property under section 194IA, TDS on rent of property under section 194IB, that refers to buyer, tenant of property or payer of residential, contraction and professional. Now let's move on to part G, that is TDS defaults, processing of statements. If you are doing any TDS payment related to property or related to salary, in that case, if you are not able to pay TDS on time, the demand data will be shown under late filing fees or interest under section 220 subsection 2. So the last part is part H, that is detail of turnover as per GSTR 3B. In that case, if you are registered under the GST Act, the data will be reflected here. For example, the date of filing, return period, taxable income and your total turnover will be reflected here. Now there is a list of sections. In that case, if you are not able to understand on which nature that tax has been deducted, you can take help of this list. Hope I have cleared your all doubts related to 26AS. For more such videos, do share, like and subscribe our channel.